Good afternoon, YouTubers. Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with the video on this printer that I picked up for free. Somebody just put it out and it was missing the power cord. And since I've been looking for, did I say printer? I mean shredder. That I've been looking for to be able to shred some cardboard that I'm going to use to make bedding for my vermihut composter. And like I said, I saw this one on the side of the street here, not too far from my house, and went back and picked it up with my hand truck. And on the way back, it fell off a couple of times, broke part of this panel here, which this is on the back side is the front panel, and right here is the digital controller. You can see all the wires, and on the back of it, it has this power strip, which is connected through this little board, circuit board, to this actual power input. And I thought I could use like a regular computer, power cord. Let me see, like. Hold on a second, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Sorry about that. Okay, so like this one, right? And so when I try to put it on there, the tabs went in the wrong direction. Okay, so you can see this one is horizontal and these are vertical. So if this was vertical, I think it would have fit. But since it doesn't fit, what I'm going to do is just take the same power cord and cut this end off and put another male end on this end here, and then plug that into here, since these are electrically connected, and then the other male end I'll just plug into a power source and I'll be able to run it that way. So basically what I'm doing is going through all the mechanisms, because what I found was that this piece right here, which there are multiples of them, which you can see I have stacked here. And this goes on the top side, these go on the bottom side. And what they do, they just force the paper to come through the bottom, which this side is the bottom. This is actually the area where it gets fed. The paper gets fed through here, and then it comes out the bottom. So this is inverted right now. So yeah, a bunch of these. Somehow, I guess they were trying to shred something that was not shreddable, or maybe the kid put something in there, because this one's an 18 sheet shredder, so it can handle pretty much a good thickness of paper. And in there, what I found was that these guides broke off and was jammed, and I actually saw it right here next to where the the inlet for the paper goes. And that's where I saw like 3 pieces bunched together, and I said, oh, jammed it up. So they said the hell with it. They didn't want to deal with it, and put it out. And right here is also the power fuse, inlet fuse. And it's this one is actually happened to be a 10 amp rated 125 volt AC fuse, and I checked it and it's good. So I'm assuming everything else is good once I take everything off, which that's what I'm doing here. Of all these, I'm going ahead and sliding all the blades out, top and bottom, and then stacking them individually, labeled. And I put a T there and a B here, signify bottom. So that way when I put them back in reverse, I know exactly how to put it back. Also, I took pictures of how they look, and you can see the blades. They go like almost in a smooth line, contoured line. So when they go in there, because these little washers right here, they go in the middle of this, and they all got that square hexagon feature to it, just like the blades. And that's what helps them lock on the shaft. So when I put everything back, the guides will go on the same way, but the blades have to be off like one point off of the other in order to be able to get this line right here for the cutting action, because the upper and lower blades, they face each other, not away. They face each other. So when they When this one is turning this way, this one is turning that way, and that gives you your cutting action. So I just have to make sure that I put it back the same way. Like I said, I took a picture of the whole thing and an up close picture over here to make sure that when I start, I'm starting correctly. So hopefully this will go good and I'll be able to get this done, and then, like I said, put everything back together and do another video of me actually plugging it in for the first time and then running a test piece on it just to see if everything still works. As far as all the sensors that come with, shredders, you have, the sensor that's like right here where the paper is, that tells it to come on. And then this one actually had another feature where for the catch tray down there, there's a safety feature also. There's like a little tang that sticks in from the catch tray that also allows it to turn on. Without the drawer being in, it will not turn on. And this one actually happened to have a let's see if I can find it. It's like 2 LEDs, and what they do, they sense when the catch tray is full. And that was somewhere over here, but I think it mounts right underneath here somewhere. And you can see that's actually the inlet right there. That's the photo eyes that I was telling you about, that when you put the paper in, go ahead and turns it on. But like I said, once it's all done, complete, I'll go ahead and show you guys it in operation. And luckily none of the circuit boards was cracked or anything like that, so hopefully it'll work. Alright guys, this is it for this one. Please give me a like, comment below, or subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.